Morning. Little update on my Javelin. 74 Javelin we call Javy. It's, I think, Wednesday. I don't even know. I'm so tired and stressed out. But anyway, I had to outsource the rear end because I just didn't have time because I'm a truck driver. I have to keep the wheels spinning. And so far we've had the wrong parts sent twice. I had one of those lockers, lunchbox lockers for a Jeep AMC 20 that I was going to use, but I decided to put it in this one because we just couldn't get spider gears for it. Or we could, but they wanted as much as I could probably put a whole damn new carrier and limited slip and all that crap in. I'm not dealing with that. So it's supposed to be done today. They went ahead and put all new bearings in it for me and stuff. It's going to cost me a fortune. A little bit over budget. Just a little bit, but you know, I don't trust a lot of shops. Not that there ain't a lot of good shops around here, but I got called the Outlaw Garage for a reason, and a lot of them don't like me because people know that, you know, a lot of people ain't got the money to fix their cars, so they come to me. You know, I'll do it for beer. So, anyway, Javy should be done today. We got to get it home in a hurry. It's got to get its windshield in it, and then I got to get a few little wiring things here and there and change the oil. So, hopefully that's it. But at this point, you know, it's I'm just gonna keep the truck hooked to my trailer, drop the red Cheryl off of it, and I'm just gonna leave it hooked up and loaded with fuel. My neighbor down the street said, "Let me know if you need help. I'll just come get your truck and trailer and come get you." And I was like, well, I don't know. Might do like we did in the 70s. She breaks down, you know, you just leave it on the side of the road. That's where I'm at this point. But anyway, Javelin will be done today. If you're going to Power Tour, we'll see you at Power Tour. I hope to, anyway. And a lot to come with this channel. My God, I got so many damn cars now. I think I have enough cars to last me for 2 or 3 years, you know, project-wise. And that'll be simultaneously working on all of them. Yay. Anyway, you guys have a good one. Get out on Power Tour, you see me, you see Javy. Come say hi. Me, Amber, the kids would love to talk to you. Have a good one.